There's Rocksteady King of the Pit TV signing in. We're listening to Lorna Shaw, okay? Only 10 tunes on this record, from what I'm aware. And I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get into it. Come on. Here we go. Here, one thing that you don't get too often that you got on all of them deathcore acts, maybe still to this day. I don't know. I was listening to deathcore, or at least was present within the space of deathcore, from like 2005 to about 2008, 2009, probably not as late as 2009. And I do know them lead guitarists liked a good sweep. More sweeps than ever in deathcore music back then. And it's developed a lot since then. I think most of it has come down to the introduction of down-tempo, from what I'm aware, and the production value is through the roof. I think as far as metal music is concerned, this bunch who exist within this deathcore-y space, they definitely know their way around production value. They always sound clean as hell. Come on. Come on! Come on! Fuck it, heavy. It's like getting hit with a hammer, that bit. Me. This band in drop B tuning. Here we are. Come on. Wow. Wow. That's the bass drop that never ended. Listen to that. You need a pair of headphones for that one. low frequency there is crazy. That's a sub shaker right there. That's a car shaker, that. That was wild. That was wild. Yeah, I couldn't even listen to the end breakdown purely because I was just paying attention to that low frequency. We've got From the Pale Mist coming up next, track number 5. Hold on to your socks.